In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom invoice template in Xero using Microsoft Word. This will give your invoices a polished, professional look that reflects your brand. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to navigate to your organization settings. In Xero, look at the top right corner of your dashboard, and you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on your organization name, and from the options that appear, select Settings. This will bring up all the settings you can adjust. But for today, we're focusing on invoicing. Once you're in the Settings section, look for Invoice Settings, which is usually found under the Features heading. Click on Invoice Settings, and you'll find yourself in the area where you can manage various invoicing options. Now, to create a new custom template, look for the New Branding Theme button and click the arrow next to it. This will give you a few options, and you want to select Custom.docs. This is where we start creating our personalized invoice template. Give your new template a meaningful name, something that's easily recognizable, and click OK to proceed. With that done, you'll see your newly named template added to the list. Click on it and then hit Download to get the zip file containing the default template. Once the zip file is downloaded, you'll need to extract its contents to a folder on your computer. It's important to keep all the files in one place for easy access. Now, navigate to the folder where you've extracted the files and open the invoice.docx file using Microsoft Word. This is where the magic happens. Inside Word, you can make all sorts of customizations to your invoice. Start by adding your company logo to give it a branded touch. You can also adjust the fonts to match your brand style, change the margins for better spacing, and update any fields to reflect the necessary data you need on your invoices. Furthermore, it's quite handy to include your bank details and payment instructions directly on the invoice. These can be placed either within the document's main body or in a separate designated area. Once you're satisfied with the changes, remember to save your customized invoice. Docs file. With your template refined to perfection, it's time to return to Xero. Head back to the invoice settings and again, click on New Branding Theme. Choose Custom.docs from the options again. This time, click the Upload button located next to your new template. This will open a file dialog on your computer. Simply find and select the customized invoice.docx file you just saved and click Save. Your unique template will now be uploaded and ready for use in Xero. There you have it. You now have a personalized invoice template in Xero that truly reflects your business brand. This simple customization can make a significant difference in how professionally your invoices present themselves to clients. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips.